Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
General Secretary ke BJP Meghalaya uba wan kit bok poshna uloong ba nakalyang kaseng kapersyajur ya kajing sya Pynthud kipat Kristan hakiriu shikniam Hindu ha kajing Lehkmen Kristmas bat kapersyang banum pinthok bria ya ka secular fabric ni kata kajing le shiliang ha kajing mani blei lani kanganyam habakran chekinong thok khubor uloong baha kajing shisha haman ki jilla kidei ki basinchar hi da ka sarkar bat ka sarkar katip hi ya kani kajing ja bat kala Shim ya kalat ban penshitom ya ki Riew Shim Kabu ha ka kerteng kanyam shu ulong baka jilla Assam ka sarkar kala Shim khia ban penshitom ya ki ba Pynthud ikipat Kristan ha ka lehniam Kristmas kumju ru ulong bana kaleng kaseng kan Shim khia banum ja kum kini ki ja jingja
Persang, ikandam ya kanung jing persang ban penthok bria ya kata secular fabric habaidi baka celebration of Christmas. Nakalyang party ni persang jur ya ni jinjang ko.
Tish persang to keep in here to sa sarkar sa menteri lemah halu ni.
I'm sure the government of India knows action. In fact, ki states ki bazaar फिर अपने ki states ki bazaar ki states ki government ji yadam Assam, I'll take example. Action was taken, arrest was made. I think so. Law will take its own course.
Other people didn't.
How we would Nakalyang party, we are very serious. We are very we discuss this at the highest level. Ni sotho ba kamdik kabanja.